This edition of this program is to explain to us about the benefits of a simple exercise which was practiced by Tamils from ancient times. The Tamil mystics, called the Siddhas, in their writings preserved in palm leaf documents, have encouraged the people to practice meditation, silent chanting of various mantras, or any other simple chant. This includes breathing exercise coupled with figure 8 walk. This is an exercise everyone can do in the morning and in the evening for about 30 minutes or more each time. While they are doing this exercise, they could do a simple chant. Those who have done this exercise have told us that their high blood pressure levels returned to normal. Blood sugar levels were returned to normal. Asthmatics found much relief, including those who suffer with arthritis. One has to start walking facing north at a steady pace, breathing gently, and walk in the shape of figure 8. One walks towards north and returns south, and this is repeated. If possible, meditation on a single syllable like Om. This is a good way to practice walking meditation. It is told that once you have done this for over 20 minutes, your brain gears up to the alpha ray. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. Do this exercise we would like to encourage you to do for 2 weeks, and please write your comments below. As for breathing exercise, inhale 8 times through your left nostrils and exhale, and then inhale 16 times through your right nostrils and exhale. But do not do the 8-16 exercise. That is the breathing exercise while you're walking. Just breathe normally while you are walking. You will experience great benefits from such simple exercise. Om